Eileen. I'm one of the medical assistants here at Suria Plastic Surgery. I also help out with the social media like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm also the office phlebotomist. I've been here for almost a year, I believe, and I absolutely love learning from all the girls. They've been so patient with me. I'm in nursing school, so I like to take everything as a learning experience here at the office. A fun fact about me is that I'm bilingual. I have a Colombian background. I love going back home, seeing my family, enjoying the mountains and the horses and everything. So I kind of had to learn English through school and through friends. All right, a usual day for me is when I arrive to the office, I like to make sure my area is nice and clean. Once patients arrive, I check them in, I bring them back, let Dr. Kusuma know we're ready to start off the day. I go in with him, help him in whatever he needs. All right, here at Suria Cosmetic Surgery, we are really a one-stop shop. We have anything from red light beds, injectables, to surgery, to lasers, to microneedling, you name it, we have it. A lot of patients do like to take advantage of this because they can get more than one treatment at one time. Personally, my favorite treatment is microneedling mixed with a facial after. I have very sensitive and acne-prone skin, so our licensed esthetician here, Tanya, has taken over that. She's transformed my skin incredibly, so I really trust her with my skin, and a lot of patients do come back multiple times to see her. When you walk through our doors, we really want to make sure that you feel safe and comfortable in a private area. You can trust us. We like to build relationships with our patients on a personal level so they can feel comfortable with us, as well as Dr. K. He likes to get to know the patient very well, and he likes to tailor anything that you want to do here. He makes sure to do it as best as he can. One tip I do give everybody I see is that you have to make sure you research where you're going, your doctor, the staff. You want to feel comfortable and safe where you're getting your procedures done. Also, another tip I could give all of you is to make sure you follow us on social media, our Instagram, our TikTok, and YouTube, Facebook, and our website, just to make sure you have all the updated news and announcements. And come check us out. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Michelle. I work the front desk here at Suria Cosmetic Surgery. I also am in charge of lead management, which means when you call, I'm usually your girl. I help schedule your follow-ups, your appointments, your consultations, and I've been here for about a year now. A fun fact about me is the ladies in the office like to call me Tinkerbell. I take it as a compliment. They say that I sprinkle my fairy dust. I think it's extremely important to keep the vibration high and good vibes around the office and make each other laugh. A typical day for me is coming in, making sure that the ambiance is set, that you feel comfortable and like a family. We are very close here. We share our personal journeys. I'm also a patient of Dr. Kusuma. I met him several years ago, and ever since then, I just love him and his practice, and I believe in his work. My favorite treatment is the microneedling and laser combination. I find that it has transformed my skin tremendously. I also see what it has done to hundreds of other patients, whether it's sun damage, pigmentation, scarring, acne, tightening. These two together work wonderfully. My favorite thing about working here are the girls. I absolutely adore them, and Dr. Kusuma. I think that we have been through so much together. We've watched patients' journeys, we've gone through our own journey, and we just really get each other's back. And I hope that I am with them for a very long time. One thing I do suggest is to make sure that you do your research, you read over the links that are sent to you, get to know us. You want to be completely confident in your choice when it comes to making any of these surgical decisions and improving your well-being. So please stop by our office, give us a call. We are happy to help you, and we look forward to meeting you soon.
Hi, my name is Jane, and I'm the Patient Education and Consultation Liaison here at Suria. I've been here for 5 years, and I also handle the CRM system internally. So if you've received a helpful link, it probably came from me. My goal is to have your visit with us be as smooth, as informative, and as stress-free as possible, even before you walk in. So part of that entails making sure you've received your intake forms, any technical issues. I pretty much try to get to know you a little bit better. So I ask you about what procedures you may want to come in for, which usually we already know, but maybe you have an interest in something else, and I curate links to see if we have something that we can send you. And hopefully make your visit much more, at that time, much more stress-free when you come in. So some fun facts. I actually come from the fashion industry. I'm a published author of a fashion textbook that was published worldwide. I come from the fashion industry, like I said, where I was a designer. I ran production, modeling, running fashion shows. So some will say I do have a pretty eclectic taste of music. I have a sweet tooth that's bigger than a 5-year-old, and I'm the proud mom of 2 college kids at the University of Florida. So go Gators. My favorite treatment is a laser. Resurfacing the skin, tightening it, making it feel baby smooth. Who doesn't want a glow? And that followed by hydrofacial by our great esthetician. I say book yours now. My tip is always do whatever feels best for you, whatever that may be. So when you come in, you'll get many different suggestions, but confidence is the best boost. So keep up also with our social media. You'll see what we have to offer, and we look forward to seeing you. We'll welcome you on our red carpet.
Hi everybody, I'm Britney. I am the Director of Sales, Marketing, and Patient Consultations. I'm actually the newest addition to the Suria family team here. I'm very excited about it. And a fun fact about me is that I'm currently 6 months pregnant. In my current role, I currently work alongside Dr. Kusuma, very closely working with the patients. So you will get to know me extremely well. I basically act as sort of a patient concierge, and I follow you from start to end. So you will be with me for the entire journey. One procedure that I'm really excited to try for myself as soon as the baby comes out is the ultra clear laser. I have seen the most insane results since I've been here, and we've actually had some patients come in that have done other lasers and they're like, oh, you know, I don't really see results and stuff. I have never heard that about the ultra clear. The results are absolutely insane, and I highly recommend them, like getting the laser, to everybody. It's truly remarkable, and I hope to get it myself. A little tip for everybody out there is get to know your surgery team, get to know the staff that you'll eventually be doing surgery under, and make sure that you feel confident and comfortable with them. You obviously want to feel confident and comfortable your entire journey, and I think the most important thing is that you're comfortable with the team that you have supporting you. So come in and see us. I can't wait to meet you.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. I am the administrator here at Suria Plastic Surgery and MedSpa. I've worked with Dr. Kusuma for over 10 years. And with Suria, a good fun fact for me is that I love to cruise. I love my fur babies. I have 2 dogs and a cat. My favorite treatment here at Suria Plastic Surgery is the RF microneedling that we do with the Virtue. It treats fine lines, wrinkles, overall texture. So that's a really big treatment that is very popular in our practice. My hands are pretty much in every avenue here at Suria Plastic Surgery, from the front of when you walk in to the back end when it comes to surgical payments and patient care. I pretty much can dab in every section of Suria Plastic Surgery. I love my girls, and my main goal is to make sure that they're happy and our patients are happy. Thank you. Come see us.
Hi, I'm Tanya Feliciano, and I work at Suria Cosmetic Surgery alongside Dr. Kusuma. I have been working here since 2011. I met Dr. Kusuma in 2010 while I was doing my clinicals at Westside Hospital. Here at Suria, I am a surgical assistant, I'm a medical assistant, and I'm a licensed esthetician. We have our own skincare line. We have supplements. We have Nutrifold for hair. We have everything that you need here at Suria. My hobbies include playing beach volleyball with my daughter, spending any time I can with my daughter, going to Disney, traveling to see the world. Come check us out. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Maria Bond, and I work at Suria Plastic Surgery. I am the manager of the operating room, and a fun fact about me is that I have 2 cats, and I love pickleball, in that order. Oh, and I've been here for 15 years. Very long time. So as I said before, I'm also the operating room nurse. I assist Dr. Kusuma in mostly all of his surgeries. I also do pre-ops with patients. That entails me making sure that everybody's aware of what they have to do pre, during, and post-surgery. I am a supportive person. Again, like I said, I'm a nurse, so I'm always here whenever there are questions to be asked. So what things do we do? We do a lot. My idea of the things that we do that are phenomenal are when we do facelifts. Anything that has to do with the neck and up is phenomenal what Dr. K does. We do blepharoplasties, we do temporal lifts, we do fat grafting, and we do facelifts, and those are my favorite. So patients' expectations are that they get as much information as they can. Patients want to feel secure when they're having surgery. They don't want to, nobody likes the unknown. So our job here is to give them as much information as possible. And yes, a lot of it sometimes is hand-holding, which I like to do because, again, as a nurse, I feel that's my role, is to make sure that I'm a patient advocate for that person. So I'm always asked, what is my favorite treatment or procedure? My favorite is laser. So I say this all the time. I am going to be 62 this year. I have not had a facelift done, but I have been doing laser 15 years now. Not to myself, I let Dr. Kusuma do it, but I feel that it has definitely prolonged my youth for me. So again, that would be one of my favorite procedures, is having laser done. My message to everybody out there, always find the right physician for the procedure or surgery that you want. Here at this office, I'm a big advocate about facial rejuvenation because, let's face it, I'm probably one of the oldest girls in the office. I guess you'd call me the OG. I want to make sure that I continue to look not so much 20, but at least I don't look 100. And one thing I love the most about Dr. K is that he has promised me that he will continue to let me look good and young for a long time. So let's see what happens.
Hi, my name is Husa. I'm actually the Wellness and Balance Director here at Suria Vitality. One fun fact about me is I believe I'm going to be a college student forever. I love learning. I'm currently finishing my master's program in functional and alternative medicine. One of my favorite treatments here is the IV therapy. I just love the jet lag cocktail. So every time I travel, I always come in and beg for the other nurses or the providers to give me an IV treatment. I just feel like it's so good for your inside to shine out. So a typical day for me here in the office is taking care of all our wellness patients. We try to take care of the patients from the inside out, head to toe, so all your needs are always guaranteed here. So whatever goals and purposes that you have, we try to tailor medicine for your specific goals. If it's for you to come in and work on your physique, on your weight, to even find a holistic way of lowering your cholesterol, we have everything here for you.